So hello everyone. So today I am going to start new chapter of Python, which is Python operators. So Python operators how works. So when you perform any operation in Python, so generally you have to use Python operators. So it's different kinds of operator in Python. It's first operator in Python, arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical and membership operator. So there are several operators, but I listed only the main one. So arithmetic, assignment, comparison, logical, and membership operator. So how it is work? So I am going to explain one by one. So now, first one I am just explaining arithmetic operation. So how arithmetic operation perform with arithmetic operators. So when I just explain it, so when you just assigning the value to the variable, I am declaring a variable name a 1 and b is equal to 2. So when I just a plus b, so the plus is a operator, so it's adding two numbers a plus b. So plus is the operators which comes in under arithmetic operators. So while I'm run this operator, you will get 3. So the similar way, inside the arithmetic operator you will find minus. Will minus two numbers. So while I'm run this code, I'll get minus 1 because of minus 1 is minus with 2. So it's give minus 1. So when I op, third operator of inside the arithmetic operator is multiply star. So while multiply two numbers, you need to just use star to multiplying. So it's 1 is multiplied, 2 is 2. So when I divide also comes under arithmetic operator. So it's well, when I run this, so I'll get 0.5. So modulus also is a arithmetic operation. So it will give 1 when you will just divide any one. So what other reminder you will get? So it will print 1. That's why. So this is a arithmetic operator. So I am going to explain now assignment operator. So what assignment operator do? So I am just replacing arithmetic to assignment one. So assignment, when you just while you are writing the code, when you will just uh, increase the number of one. So I am just x is equal to 1. So this means assignments operator. So this means x is increase of one time while you looping any code. Suppose you will increase number of 1, then 1 increase by 1, 2, 1 increase by 1, 3, 1 increase by 1, 4, 1 increase by 1, 5. So this condition do in Python like this. So similar way, you can use minus 1. Here you will get is minus. Similar way you will get multiply 1. You will get multiply number into 1 times. Similarly, you will divide 1 and you will get divide by 1 time every number. Similar, you will get the modulus 1. Again, you will get reminder like this. So again, I am just going to explain third our comparison operator, how comparison operator will work. So comparison operator means if you are comparing two value, suppose I am declaring one value a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4. While I'm comparing a equal to 4, b. So a is equal to b. It is comparing one variable to another. It is false condition because a is not equal to b. So if you equal one is equal to, you can use not equal to like this, equal to and not equal to like this. This is a comparison operator inside the comparison operate. It will perform the comparison with two variables or two numbers. So what is logical operator? So now I am going to explain the logical operator with logical operations, how it is work. So logical operator comes with and or not, and or not. So while I just print at 2 is greater than 1 and 5 is greater than 1. So both the condition in AND operator, both the condition, both the in AND operator, logical operator and the condition, both the condition should be true. Means 1, 2 is greater than 1, it's true. 5 is greater than 1, it's true. So it should be both the condition will be true. Means it is mandatory to both the condition will be true. So when I'll run, so it gives true. In OR condition or logical operator, so only one condition should be true. 2 is greater than 1 is true. 5 is less than 1, it's false. It will give output of true. You can just see it 2. Not, not is the opposite of 2. Both the condition should be true. A is 2, 2 is greater than 1 is true, and 5 is greater than 1, it's true. So both the conditions should be true. We can define and inside the and we should define not, the reverse operation we are going to perform to use not. While I'm run this, it's give false. So it's the opposite of the true. So that's why we use not operator, logical operator like this. So inside the not operator, both the condition it's true with and condition or and logical operator. So this is the condition of logical operators. Now I am just giving an example of membership operator. What is membership operator? So membership operator, how it is work? So membership operator, suppose I am declaring one variable name A and data value is my name is Nikhil and my age is 30. So it is like how membership operator is in and not in. So how it is work, I'm going to just if you want to find any string inside the sentence, suppose I want to find Nikhil in the above sentence, it will give me true or false. Nikhil, I want to find the variable name A, so Nikhil in of A. So it will show Nikhil if Nikhil is present in the above sentence, it will give the true, otherwise false. While I am running this, you will see the output of false because of Nikhil is I just the I because of Nikhil is present but not the this type of letter. When I'll just put all capital letter, then I'll run this, it will give me a true. So you can find out any one. I'm just going to check is this is so is present in this sentence two times, so it is going to give the answer of 2. So now I am just use not in, is present, so I am just not in, so it will give me false because it's present. So not in will the reverse of the in in keyword. So this is all 5 are the operators performing operations in the Python. This is the main one I noted: arithmetic operations, assignment operations, operators, comparison operators, logical and membership operators. So please follow our channel for more videos for basic to advanced Python. Thank you so much.